A Mustang GT passes a marked patrol truck at roughly 100 miles per hour. The deputy didn't have to chase, the radar already had it. We muted the original and added our own track. Watch the number that decides this whole stop. The deputy makes contact. Passing a patrol vehicle at speed is the kind of stop where discretion tends to disappear. At 100 miles per hour, Arizona's criminal speed statute is already triggered. 15 over the 85 cap.
There it is, the locked reading on the deputy's radar. That two-number display is the target's speed and the patrol's speed, side by side.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. A white Chevy is stopped later in the same shift. The radar logs each lock with a timestamp the court can pull.
A 300-plus horsepower car reaches criminal speed in seconds. The engine is the reason, but it's never the excuse in court.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. 100 miles per hour in Arizona is never a simple ticket. It's a mandatory court date, possible jail, and a criminal record. The radar readout you just saw is the evidence. Credit Pinal County Sheriff's Office.